Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and today I'm really excited to do another review and another sunscreen review with y'all. For the last few uploads I've been receiving a lot of positive feedback on my channel, and I'm really excited to put out more such videos, more such reviews, because I think that's what I do and that's what I really like doing as well, you know, testing out new products for y'all, but within a budget please guys. Okay, so I'm gonna review the new Plum Oat Ceramide mineral sunscreen, and I'm really excited to do this. This has been a favorite company of mine from a very long time. It's a very good brand. The products that they build are you know, very skin friendly. The makeup line that they have built is amazing as well, but not as good as their Plum Body Lovin' products. They are the best, I think. And then comes their skincare line. So here I am with their Oat and Ceramide Complex 100% mineral sunscreen, and it protects and strengthens skin barrier. Now this is one of the first mainstream brands amongst the ones that we have who has launched mineral sunscreen. Before this, every company has launched a chemical sunscreen. So mineral sunscreen, if I have to tell you, it does not go inside your skin. I mean, it does get absorbed, but it protects you. Like it gives you a layer, and it's a physical, basically it's a physical layer, and therefore it provides a shield from the UV ray. So now here we have got a very cool packaging. First of all, they sent it in this cute potli. I think they are rebranding themselves. They are getting an app of theirs, and it comes in a very nice packaging. It was a very travel friendly. It's conical in shape. Then we have the actual product over here. This is the Oat and Ceramide color, pink and white, that we have got over here. Like for you all to subscribe to my channel. I have seen the increase in the number of viewership, but not so much in the subscriber count, so I would highly urge you all to subscribe as well, so that you get notified about my channel, my new videos every now and then. First of all, let's break it down. Firstly, we have the packaging. Beautiful, like I said, the color is nice, the tube is sleek, it's amazing. Secondly, the pricing. They are saying that they will retail for $6.99, but $5.99 is the introductory price. That's what they have written over here. Packaging, the pricing is very nice when compared to mineral sunscreens that you get in the market. They all retail for $600, $650 plus. One such brand that I can recall is Sunscreen. So if you are venturing into mineral sunscreen, expect that it will be a little more expensive than your normal chemical sunscreen. Fragrance of this product, it claims that it's fragrance free, and it does not truly have any fragrance whatsoever. There is no colorant as well, so it's safe in both those aspects. Secondly, it also claims that it's pregnancy safe, because they have tested on pregnant women, and that's why they claim that. But if you're a pregnant woman, you can actually apply this product, but do a patch test nevertheless. So always be safe with the patch test if you have a sensitive skin, dry skin, or you know, you're suffering from any skin allergies of sorts. Basically, let's come on to the performance of this product. It claims that it gets quickly absorbed into your skin. Secondly, it also claims that it does not leave any white cast. So let's test that out. Okay, so I have applied on my hand, and you can see it truly does get absorbed into your skin very quickly. With that, it actually feels a little cool while applying. After that, it gives you a very hydrating effect. Your skin will look really plump. It gets absorbed very quickly and does not leave any white cast on your first application, definitely. So you need a little more time than your chemical sunscreen. I would just say that. If you see that on my face, it is taking a little bit of time, but eventually the whole product gets absorbed into your skin and it does not leave any white cast. With that being said, if you go for another time, because what I did try to apply a second layer on top of the first layer immediately after it got absorbed, that was not pretty successful. The product started peeling a little bit, which is quite obvious because it's a physical sunscreen and you should not reapply within such a short span of time. So that's understandable, but other than that, it does truly get absorbed into your skin. It does not leave any white cast, and it does not feel heavy also, much like your other physical sunscreen. It really feels like you've not worn anything, but it gives you hydration as well because it has those oat kernel extract and ceramides, which are also going to help you build your skin barriers. So it's a very good product, I feel, and they have launched it for this summer. I think so if I have to recommend that you should get it, definitely you should get it. In fact, if you have skin allergies and chemical sunscreen are not your vibe, definitely get it. Or secondly, if you go for a lot of outdoor activities such as swimming, playing and everything, this will not melt away, it just stays put, so therefore you can use it for that as well. And yeah, this is a wonderful product. And that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and definitely do not forget to subscribe to my channel.